Hi, Michael Burns of Active Training Consultants. I want to talk to you guys just for a minute on priorities. So this is primarily for you, well, those of you that are in leadership. What is your priority? Is the people that are out on your floor your priority? Or is it the production or the product that they're making that is your priority? I have been into a lot of places where the slogan or the saying is safety is number one, but in reality, safety was not number one. Safety was way, way below. I mean, maybe 3, maybe 4. Most places that I go into, priority 1 is production or quality. And I agree, both production and quality are very, very important. We want a good quality product to come out of that door. However, what's even more important is the people that are making that product. That is what is most important in my book. If you treat your employees as a person, not as a number or a tool to make your production go better, you will notice a huge change in your facility. You will see productivity go up, morale go up. You'll see absenteeism going down. You'll see work loss due to injuries go down. It's an amazing, amazing tool when you treat people as your priority and not what you're making. So the only suggestion or the only thing I want to ask is just sit back and think a minute. What is your priority? Is it production or is it people? I hope you all have a wonderful day out there. If you have any questions, give us a call, 231-629-7006.